In this video, we will learn what is SQL, its introduction and overview. So let's begin. At first, we need to understand what is RDBMS. So RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. To understand RDBMS, herein you can see we have a table. So since childhood, we are creating these tables with rows and columns, right? So this is what we call RDBMS. That is a relational model. Relational means relation between rows and columns. Okay, these rows and columns. So this is what we have shown here. RDBMS, it's a form of a table. That is, a table has rows and columns, and a database has group of tables. So that means a relation. A relation of rows and columns is called table, and this is what we call RDBMS. So relational database management system. Okay, this is the basis for SQL. So now you would be wondering the difference between RDBMS and DBMS. RDBMS is just an advanced form of DBMS. Okay, so it is having relational DBMS. That means a relation between tables, relation between rows and columns. So RDBMS is the basis for SQL, MySQL or MySQL, Oracle and other related databases. So RDBMS, I have told you before, it stores data in the form of tables, and tables is having rows and columns. Herein we have 4 rows. That means rows are always horizontal entry. Okay, you can see. And columns we are having 5. So columns are vertical entries. Okay, so this is what we have shown here. Now what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language, and RDBMS is the basis for SQL that I have told before. That means it will store the data in RDBMS in RDBMS form, that is in the form of rows and columns. Okay, and it is governed under ANSI, that is American National Standard Institute, as well as International Organization for Standardization, ISO. So these two RDBMS have been developed by Microsoft. So we'll be covering these two in SQL. Okay, so this is the current version, Microsoft SQL Server 2019, developed by Microsoft. It is used to create and maintain database, to create tables, database and maintain it. Within that, Microsoft also provides SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. Here it is. We'll be using this to work on SQL. You can say it is a UI for SQL that will allow you to easily create database tables, work on operations, clauses, operators and other stuff in SQL. So guys, in this video we saw what is SQL, how it is different from RDBMS, how we can work through SQL software so that we can create tables, create databases, tables, rows and columns. We also saw the relation between them. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.